How to use effects on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use effects on TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Now you should record the video. All you need to do is click on post at the bottom and now start recording a video. You can record a video and put effects but I prefer choose an effect and record. For example, let's choose my favorite effect. Click on add to favorite and this is it. Watch the difference. So this is the effect now. All you need to do is click on. So this is your video. Now all you need to do is go back. If you want to find an effect, click here, click on trending. If the effect between the trend effect, you're gonna find it here. And this is new effect, this is editing, this is some effects. If you didn't find your effect here, click on friends and click on here and search of the name the effect you want. And this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like.